guys, welcome to poster design project in Photoshop. So in this video you will learn how to create or design a zombie poster for a movie. So let's start. Create a new or open the photos. I need to select this first one and select this one, select this one. So import these three images, and now I need to select these characters. Go to select the subjects, so I'll select drag and drop here. Hold Alt key, change the size and set here. Hold Alt key, change the size, set here. We will change the size and set here. Okay, and now let's create the shadow. Select layer and make a copy. Select the layer 1 and press Ctrl plus T to turn on the transform and select the distort, move here. So click on apply and right click, go to blending. Let's see blending option. Turn on the color overlay. Go to effects, select the color overlay and change the color. Eyedropper, select the color from background to make shadow. Click OK. And now make soft shadow. Select smudge, right click, change the brush style to soft. Right click, control the hardness. Right click, select soft. Control the strength to 50% and right click, change the size. Move, set. So now go to opacity, change the opacity into 50% or 70%. Okay, and then select the layer of the characters and apply match color of adjustment. Go to image, adjustment, go to match color. So this is our target, and select the source. Select the source of image, this one. This is our source of image. To apply color of this image on the characters to make match and click OK. So, and now go to drag and drop the light, the lens flare here. Hold Alt key, change the size, apply and go to mode, select screen. Okay guys, and now select one of this layer and go to select the color lookup. select answer, press Alt, Ctrl plus Shift plus E to make layer 3 from these all layers. Go back to image, apply again color lookup, and the other way how to apply this color lookup on without creating the third layer. Select delete, go to adjustment mask and select color lookup. And now you can change, press down arrow key, select this one. And now close, make crop, hold Alt key, crop like this and apply. And now write the title, select and right here write zombie poster. Select all, change the font style like a different style. Looks like it's scary. So let's see the bold and change the color. Um, Select this color, hold Alt key, change the size, set here. Okay, and now lock the title. Let's lock all layers. Lock all layers and right here change the font size, select all and change the font to basic style. Photoshop design. Okay, now double click again, change the size into 90 point or 20 points, set here and select the rectangle. Turn off the stroke, select a dark color, hold Alt key, make one copy here, select and zoom, hold Shift. Select another one. Make one more copy, double click, write 2025, set center, and change the color little bit brighter. Click OK and move it little bit up. And now select this one, move it down. Select the zombie poster. Title, move it down here. And zoom out. So guys, now you can save your poster design. Go to File, save a copy, save your poster design. So if you need to change, double click again, and now you can change from here. Press down arrow key. Like this one, not bad. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good time, good luck, all of you.